This is a short video showing the metal workshop that I built this summer, and it's an insulated workshop, but I wanted an office workspace to work on 3D printers and drones. So I've enclosed the south end of the building, insulated it, and made a deck up at the top where I can store parts, electronic parts and 3D printers and drones and whatever. That foam box at the end is my exhaust fan for the building. When I framed the building, or framed the office side of the building, I put in, I think it's about 8 feet tall. It's actually about 8.5 feet tall. And I put in tables that I built directly under 6-inch downlights. They're LED. And then I've been sheetrocking the side of it. That exhaust fan that you saw up above, I'll be cutting an 8-inch circle in there and putting some ductwork in to be able to vent both solder fumes and 3D printer dust. So I've got the parts over there. And at this point, I said it was about 8.5 feet tall, 10 feet wide, and 24 feet deep. And right now, it's 48 degrees outside Fahrenheit, and that little space heater keeps up just fine. So getting close to finishing, and I have LED panel lights. They're 2 foot by 4 foot that'll go in on those holes.